Welcome to Gartex Electronics. Today we shall learn on how to use and maintain a front-load washing machine safely. Before putting your clothes into the washing machine, make sure divide the laundry according to 1. The type of fabric: cotton, mixed fibers, synthetics, wool, garments to be hand-washed. 2. Color: separate colored garments from whites, and wash new colored garments separately. 3. Delicates: small garments, such as nylon stockings, and items with hooks, such as brass, insert them in a fabric bag. 4. Lastly and most importantly, empty the pockets to remove objects such as coins, nails, keys, or lighters, because such objects can damage the washer, dryer and the drum. Also check all buttons. 5. Load your washing machine up to the capacity recommended by the manufacturer. For normal washing cycles, fill the washer drum up to 3/4 of the drum with laundry to avoid overloading the washing machine. I recommend that you do your washing at the optimum spin speed of 800 or 1000 rotations per minute. Use the correct dosage of soap or detergent or recommended additives. Using the right amount of soap and detergents optimizes the cleaning result. It avoids irritating residues of surplus detergent in your laundry, and it saves money by avoiding waste of surplus detergent. Use low temperature and longer duration programs, because most efficient programs in terms of energy consumption are generally those that perform at lower temperatures and longer duration. Remember to turn off the water tap after every wash cycle. This will limit wear on the hydraulic system inside the washer dryer and help to prevent leaks. Unplug the washer dryer when cleaning it and during all maintenance work. Cleaning the washer dryer. The outer parts and rubber components of the appliance can be cleaned using a soft cloth soaked in lukewarm soapy water. Do not use solvents or abrasives. The washer dryer has an auto clean cycle for its internal parts. It must be run without any load in the drum. To help the wash cycle, you may want to use either the detergent or special additives to clean the washer dryer. We recommend running a cleaning program every 40 wash cycles. Cleaning the detergent dispenser drawer. Remove the dispenser drawer by lifting and pulling it outwards. Wash it under running water. This procedure should be effected regularly. Caring for the door and drum. Always leave the porthole door ajar or slightly open in order to prevent unpleasant odors or bad smell from forming. Load balancing system. Before every spin cycle, to avoid excessive vibrations before every spin and to distribute the load in a uniform manner, the drum rotates continuously at a speed that is slightly greater than the washing rotation speed. If, after several attempts, the load is not balanced correctly, the machine spins at a reduced spin speed. If the load is excessively unbalanced, the washing machine performs the distribution process instead of spinning. To encourage improved load distribution and balance, we recommend small and large garments be mixed in the load. Wash cycles. 1. Anti-stain turbo. This cycle is ideal for washing daily stains in 45 minutes. It is ideal for mixed fabrics and colored garments. 2. Anti-stain 20 degrees Celsius. This program ensures maximum stain removal capacity with no need for pre-treatment at low temperatures, preserving fabrics and colors. 3. Cotton. Suitable for washing towels, underwear, tablecloths, etc. Made of resistant linen and cotton that are moderate to heavily soiled. 4. Synthetics. Specific for synthetic items. If the dirt is difficult to remove, the temperature can be increased up to 60 degrees and powder detergent can be used too. 5. Rapid 30 minutes. For washing lightly soiled garments in a short time. Not suitable for wool, silk and garments to be washed by hand. 6. Mix, wash and dry. Use program 6 to wash and dry mixed garments, cotton and synthetics. This cycle may be used to wash and dry loads of up to 3.5 kilograms. We recommend the use of liquid detergent. The use of steam in this program is optimized to reduce the formation of creases on garments, making them easier to iron. 7. Shirts, wash and dry. Use program 7 to wash and dry shirts and t-shirts in different fabrics and colors to ensure maximum care. This cycle may be used to wash and dry loads of up to 2 kg. To achieve optimum results, use liquid detergent and pre-treat cuffs, collars and stains. The use of steam in this program is optimized to reduce the formation of creases on garments, making them easier to iron. 8. Eco 40 to 60. For washing, normally soiled cotton garments are declared to be washable at 40 degrees core 60 degrees Celsius, together in the same cycle. This is the standard cotton program and the most efficient in terms of water and energy consumption. 9. Anti-allergy. Suitable for removing major allergens such as pollen, mites and cat or dog hair. Rinse and spin. Designed for rinsing and spinning. Spin and drain. Designed for spinning and draining the water. Locked door indicator. When lit, the symbol indicates that the door is locked. To prevent any damage, wait until the symbol turns off before opening the door. To open the door while a cycle is in progress, press the Start, Pause button lock. If the lock symbol is off, the door can be opened. How to start washing. Prepare the laundry by following the recommended suggestions discussed earlier. Press the On/Off button. Hot point will appear on the display. The indicator light relative to the Start, Pause button will flash slowly green. Open the door. Load the laundry while making sure not to exceed the maximum load quantity indicated in the wash cycle table. Pull out the detergent dispenser drawer and pour the detergent into the relevant compartments, as described in the Detergent Dispenser Drawer section. Close the door. Use the wash cycle selector knob to select the desired wash cycle. The cycle's name will appear on the display. The cycle will be associated with a specific temperature and spin speed which can be modified. The duration of the cycle will appear on the display. Modify the temperature and/or spin speed. The machine automatically selects the maximum temperature and spin speed set for the selected wash cycle. These values cannot, therefore, be increased. Pressing the temperature button gradually reduces the temperature down to the cold wash setting. Pressing the spin button gradually reduces the spin speed until it is completely excluded. Pressing the spin and temperature buttons further restores the maximum allowed values for the selected cycle. Select the desired options. Press the Start, Pause button to start the wash cycle. The relative indicator light will light up steady green and the door will lock. At the end of the wash cycle, this will be indicated by the word, Cycle End, on the display. When the lock symbol switches off, the door may be opened. Open the door and switch off the machine. If you do not press the On/Off button, the washing machine will switch off automatically after about 10 minutes. Close the water tap and unload the washing machine. Leave the door ajar or slightly open to allow the drum to dry. Thank you for watching. That is all I had for today. Please like, share and subscribe for more video updates on electronics.